Winter is almost gone and summer is just around the corner. So today I have brought two fabulous summer drinks which are not only refreshing and delicious but absolutely healthy as well. Hey lovelies, welcome to Dash of Delight. I am Samya. Before heading towards the video, please don't forget to subscribe to Dash of Delight as I keep bringing vegan and vegetarian recipes just for you. For mango shake or mango milk shake, take one big and ripe mango. Take out the pulp and add into blender jar. If you don't have one big mango, you can also take two medium-sized mangoes. Then add half a cup of sugar or whatever sweetener you prefer. Just taste your mango, and if it's sweet enough, you can decrease the sugar or sweetener quantity and vice versa. Then add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and blend everything together for at least 15 seconds. If you want, you can also add few ice cubes while blending. And that's it guys. Pour it immediately into a tall glass and garnish it with some chopped mango pieces, some chopped nuts of your choice, couple of mint leaves, and enjoy it right away. If you like chilled smoothies, just leave the glass in refrigerator for a few hours and enjoy. So do try it at home and let me know in the comments below how you find it. Now let's check out the other recipe. Take half cup of quick rolled oats and dry roast it until it becomes golden brown and crispy. Keep your flame at low to medium temperature and roast it for at least 5 minutes. Once done, transfer it into a blender jar and chop one banana into the jar. Try to take ripe banana as ripe banana is sweeter than the unripe one, hence you will not need any sweetener in the recipe. Then add 1 heaped teaspoon of peanut butter. This is my homemade peanut butter. I've already posted the recipe of all natural peanut butter. I'll give the link in the description, do check it out. Apart from being healthy, peanut butter will also give a very nice flavor as well as natural sweetness in the recipe. Then add 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. Now, if you are a vegan, use plant-based yogurt and you are good to go. Then add 1 tablespoon of melted chocolate or chocolate sauce and 1 cup of milk. Please use plant-based milk in case you are a vegan. Then blend everything together into fine paste. It takes time, a bit longer to blend oats into a smoothie. So blend everything for 1 complete minute. So I'll show you. This is how it should look like. Once it gets a smooth and paste-like consistency, add in 1 glass of milk and blend it once more. If you want, you can also add few ice cubes while blending. And that's it guys. Pour it into a tall glass and garnish it with a drizzle of chocolate sauce or melted chocolate and some chopped nuts of your choice, 1 teaspoon of flax seeds, and enjoy. If you like chilled smoothies, leave the glass in the refrigerator for a few hours and enjoy it whenever you want. So do try out both of these amazing summer smoothies and keep watching Dash of Delight with me, Samya.